There we go. So, Ouray National Wildlife Refuge on the Uinta and Ouray Indian Reservation. Rumor has it we'll see what? Elk and mule deer. We'll be getting near the Green River. That's what we hear too. So, yeah, we'll see. We're just going for a ride. So it's like no big push today, no big rush. Let's see what we find out here. How you doing today, kiddo? Yeah. Don't sound so excited. Hey, we might be seeing elk back here. A little cool this morning, 54 degrees. It was actually 49 at the hotel this morning. Yeah. Where's the last? Vernal, yeah. And we'll eventually wind up at Price today. So let's see how this works out. We don't know. It could be wonderful, it could be a bust. We just don't know. Oh, mule deer. See it?
No,
He's behind us.
there he is.
Oh, that's cool.
Cute.
Okay. Well, it's already been worth the price of admission. Well, if there's one, there'll be more.
Yeah.
No doubt about it. So, fun fact that we learned, the Uinta and Ouray Indian Reservation is the largest Indian reservation in the United States. And they seem to be doing pretty good back here for everything. Oil derricks everywhere. Which means drill, baby, drill.
Yeah.
We're good with that. We are good with that. So, alright, so we got a little pit toilet here. I don't think we need to worry about that right now.
I don't think so.
So, let's see what this says. Good time. So, 12,000 acres. Here, let's just do this, shall we? Take it over there and let's go see what they say. Fishing and hunting regulations. Porcupines. Pronghorn. Oh, that was a pronghorn we saw.
Oh.
That's cool. Yellow-headed blackbird. Okay. So yeah, we saw a pronghorn. Mule deer and a myriad of mammals find food in refuge grasslands and shrublands. Bears are active in this area? Huh? That's what it says.
Yay.
Well, I reckon we'll find out, won't we? Oh. Coyote. Let's see. Plant and butterfly list. So where are we? Oh, we're here. So we're going to go all the way down through here to Ouray. Okay. Pearl horns. Okay. Hunting and fishing. I don't think we'll do much hunting or fishing today. So, all right. I'm good. You good?
Yep.
All right. Let's go hop in the car and continue on our little trek. Who knows? Maybe we'll see old Wile E. Coyote. All night long. So the auto tour route is here. Shepherd's Bottom Auto Tour Route. Well, I guess we'll find out, huh? What's the worst that could happen? I don't either. Unimproved road. Okay. That's fine. Good reason why we got the all-wheel drive Jeep for the rental. So, keep an eye out for animals. Kind of reminds me of Ottawa back home. Something not quite as marshy, although there is some marsh. There are some. It does look like elk. That looks like a picture. You know, for being in the middle of Utah, this is pretty nice. There are birds everywhere. Birds. This is riveting, Rose. It is. The bushes are so bushy. The grasses are so grassy.
Yes.
The water is so watery. Liquidy, even.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, might call it liquidy. Excuse me. Well, stop trying to give me a turnaround. I'm not turning around. GPS. Alright. I get it. Let me put my seatbelt on. There. You're happy now. They say this road was 20, was it 21? Maybe? I don't remember, to be honest. I wonder who runs this. I wonder if the tribes run this, or if this is. That's got to be U.S. wildlife, I'm sure. That's what the pamphlet says. So. Gotta be it. Ooh.
That's right.
So. I don't know if y'all can catch this or not, but right out there in the distance. Keep my finger out of the way, it would help. Mountains, snow-capped mountains. Mountains. Inside joke. Caroline, bye bye bye. So good, so good, so good. Bye bye bye. Hey, gotta have fun. Gotta have fun. I see birds.
Birds.
One pronghorn sheep. I haven't seen a partridge in a pear tree yet. So, you know. I'm impressed there's this many. Ooh, there's the Green River coming up. He said as he looked at his GPS. Really impressed we got signal back here. Really am. So the Green River eventually runs down into Moab, which is where we'll be tomorrow. I believe Colorado's down here too. Oh, cell phone tower back here. I explain why we got service. Well, we're not going that way because it's blocked off, so we're going to continue this way. Ba, ba, ba. Little bumpy bump. A lot of bumpy bump. Get the GoPro stabilized and stuff.
Yeah.
It's a little bit better. This ought to be. It was a one horn flying purple people here. There it is. The Green River. Pretty wild. Oh God, you're so tough. So what is that floating in the river there? Long chunks of wood? So according to this, it looked like we had a path to continue on, but
Like pushed.
apparently not. Okay, well, we'll see what we come up with. This was a nice little drive, though. We'll go back. It's fine. No big deal. So, came back on here just for the what you see over here to the left, just the formations in the sand for the layers and everything like that. It's just wild. Pretty wild. Here's the Green River. It doesn't look so green right now. It's okay. Straight into the sun. So we're going northeast. It's Excuse me. Not really seen much for wildlife, which is fine. That's what it is. There's the Green River. That's pretty. Especially with all this rock formation up here. Look at this. This is wild. They must have horses back here because there's a lot of horse exhaust on the road. So, that's over here, kid. There you go. Make it a little bit easier on you. Wow, look at this right here.
That's cool.
That is so cool. So it seems like we're the only people here today, which is fine. But that is just cool. There you go, kiddo. Slide it right on there. So supposedly this road will bring us out to Ouray, Utah. Oh, camera. This is really cool. Check that out. Right inside the car here. Really cool. Really cool. It's going to get better up here. I can already see it. Shall we mosey on down the road, kiddo?
Yes, we
I think we
shall.
shall. I think we shall. A little rough patch here on the road. A little washboard going on. See, we would have never known this back here if we just hadn't taken the detour. Check it out. Check it out. Hey. Life's lacking today, but the scenery's great. That was the dinosaur we were for a minute. It's just a tree branch. Just this is cool. Some serious rock formations here. It says turn here, but kind of hard to turn when they off roads and such. That's the reason why you fill the car up every morning. You never know where you're going to go. Up here. Little rumble. Yeah, it's a lot of rumble. Alright, so let's go around the corner here. See what's going to shake out here. Caves and stuff up in there. Alright, I'll take a break. Alright, so we turned around and we're heading back. Just get a load of that. This is even the good stuff. I mean, it's good, but
Yeah.
it's not even the spectacular stuff. So, after we run it back this way, so you maybe see a little bit of this. Ow. This is just flat out amazing. Amazing. Not amazing, just amazing. Just amazing. What do you think, Rose?
Like it's really pretty.
You think it's what?
Really pretty.
Really pretty. It says 35. I'm not doing 35. It's just amazing. Yes, the car would definitely get mad. Who knows? Maybe we'll see another pronghorn. Let's hope so. We were led to believe elk, mule deer, pronghorn sheep, which we did see today. But alas. never have any luck when we go into places like this looking for animals. And hopefully we get back to Colorado to see some bighorn sheep. Hopefully. I can't remember if we went up into the LaSalle Mountains. I can't remember if there are bighorn sheep up there. I know there are cows and horses walking down the middle of the road. I don't remember up there. We gotta go up there. It will wind up. Well, no, we won't wind there tomorrow. It's got to be somewhere around here. Or about back where we started. There's the housing for everybody. I think that would be boring living out here in the middle of nowhere. What do you think? I mean, you know what we're used to. You know, we're used to being around stuff. There's the road we drove back originally and didn't see anything. Brakes on this thing are really touchy. So this is where we saw the pronghorn before. Doesn't mean we'll see it again. Doesn't mean we won't. Doesn't mean we will. Authorized vehicles, yeah. Can see why. Unmaintained road. Excuse me. Well, bring us back to the main drag. Watch the sucker come up flying behind us again. Yeah, I think he did last time. Gave her a go. You never know. There's the Uintas again. Song, more precisely, it's your walk-up song. Okie doke. Well, sorry there was no more. Not even a prairie dog. Although we did get the prairie dogs yesterday, so
Yeah.
that was cool.